Welcome everybody. Let's take a look at one of our new plugins called Hot Deals Pro. This handy tool lets you quickly and easily create special deals for any products on your site. You can set up as many deals as you need, where each deal includes one or more products, and you can schedule when those deals start and end. And of course, you can control what the deal prices will be. So overall, Hot Deals Pro is a super-powered sales scheduling tool that can help boost your sales and help keep shoppers coming back to your store. Let's take a look at how it works overall. As you can see here on the screen, I have a few products set up in a test store just for demo purposes, and these will help us see how the plugin works. So let's take a look at the back-end admin settings. So when you install this plugin and activate it, you're going to have a new menu item here under WooCommerce called Deals, and when we go to that screen, we will see a place where we can add new deals, and each deal can have a title, a start date, end date, a mode, your price adjustments, style and amount. And if we edit one of these, which I've already created for sake of example, we'll take a look at the settings. Here we have a title. I just chose this title, ongoing deal, a different product every day, just to help me remember what it's for. You can set that to whatever you want. It's just for your viewing only. It helps you remember why you created this deal and what it may apply to. Shoppers don't see this. Same thing with this deal description. It's just an area for you to make notes to help you remember specific things about this deal if you need to. Here we have the deal settings. You can see there's a mode, there are products, there is a start and end date, a price adjustment type, and a price adjustment amount. So let's start here at the top. The deal mode includes 3 different modes: manually select products, randomly select any products, or randomly select products from specific categories. Right now I have this one chosen, and I have selected 2 products, and I'll show you how this works. When you set this to manually select products, what you want to do here is just select which products are going to be part of this sale, and you can search for those products whichever you want based on name. So I'm just going to choose 2 products, and there we go. And I'm going to set a start and end date. Here, if I click in here, I see a handy calendar widget that I can easily choose date and time, but I've already done that. You can see this date starts on November the 1st at 1 minute before midnight, and it runs all the way through December 31st, 1 minute before midnight. So it runs basically for 2 months. Here I've chosen to adjust my price by a percentage off the regular price, and that percentage is 30%. So what I'm telling the software is I want to take these 2 products, put them on sale on this date, take them off sale on that date, and I want the sale price to be 30% off whatever the regular price of the product is right now. So for example, if the price were $100 and I'm taking 30% off, then that equals $30, so the prices would become $70. You can also do a flat amount off. Maybe I want to take $10 off, so if the product price was $50, the sale price would become $40. I can also set a sale price manually. So for example, regardless of what the regular price is, maybe I want to put these on sale at a super special deal of $5.95. I can do that. And so the plugin will put them on sale for that price, and when the sale ends, it will automatically remove the sale price. So for sake of example, I'm just going to put this back to 30% off the regular price. And just to be clear, what this plugin is going to do is manually or automatically set the sale price of your product when they go on sale, and when the sale ends at this end date, it will automatically remove that sale price as if you did it yourself by editing the product, except everything happens automatically. So that's the manually select product modes, and you can include any number of products you want to, 1 to 100, 1,000, whatever you want to put in here. The next mode is randomly select any products, and when I choose this mode, I have the ability to tell it how many products to select. for sake of example, we have this set to 5. So what this means is the plugin is going to randomly select any 5 products that are available in my store right now and put them on sale when this start date happens, and it'll take them off sale at the end date. We have another setting here that's available when you choose any one of these random modes. It's relink days, and what this means is, let me explain what link means. First of all, when you use this plugin, either your manually selected products or the randomly selected products become linked to this deal so that the software knows this deal involves these products. So that's what linking means. It's just assigning these products to the deal based on your settings. So when you're using the random mode and you tell it, for example, I want to link 5 products, relink days controls when it might regenerate a new set of linked products. So when the deal first starts, it's going to pick 5 products, but I'm telling it here, run the deal for 2 months and relink the products on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. What that means is every Monday and Wednesday and Friday between November 1st and December 31st, the plugin will take the current products in the deal, take them off sale, and randomly select 5 new products and put them on sale. And it'll do that over and over until this deal ends. And the same thing happens when you're choosing products randomly from specific categories. Here you can see I've chosen electronics and music. I want the plugin to choose 5 products from these 2 categories. You can choose any products in your store. I'll just remove these so you can see I only have a few categories defined on this demo site, but if I click in here I can choose whatever categories I want, 1 or more, and then adjust the settings. So that's how this works. For sake of example, I'm going to leave this set to manually select products and with these settings, and then the next thing I'm going to want to do is, I'm just going to change this so I don't confuse you here in a minute. The next thing I'm going to do is come down here to the link products box, which normally would be empty like this, and what I'm going to do is link the products because I've chosen my settings and I'm ready to link my initial set of products. So I link those, and you can see it has put these in the list that these are linked to this deal. Now if I decided, if I were using a random mode for example, and it picked 5 random products and I saw one in there that I didn't want for some reason, I could just click remove and it'll take it out of the list. Then when I'm done, I simply update the deal settings and this is all saved. But it doesn't become active until the start date, and this status must be set to active. This is kind of a fail-safe mechanism. So by default, the deal status is always inactive when you first create a deal. But if I had set this to start today, maybe I don't want it to trigger immediately while I'm verifying all these settings and making sure my products got linked correctly. So the deal remains in inactive status. As soon as I set this to active and update it, then the deal would kick into action immediately when this date and time is reached. And so we can see an example of what's gone on, because today's November the 10th, so obviously November the 1st is in the past, so my deal is already kicking into action because the start date here has been reached and I've set the deal status to active. So it should have set these products to be on sale. So let's take a look. We look here in our store, and if let me move the screen a bit. Yes, we have these 2 products that were in my deal here, Rattle That Lock and Endless River CDs, and you can see they're both on sale at 30% off their regular price. And so we have this thing working as we want to. While we're on this page, if you look here in the sidebar of this particular theme, there is a deal of a day listing that lists 2 products that are in my deal on sale. This is a widget that comes with the plugin that you can optionally use if you want to put it in a sidebar in your site. And what it does is it looks for products that are in an open running deal. Any deal that's active and the start date has begun, the product will look at them, gather up a list of the products and put them here in this widget in a neat little display, which helps your shopper see what's the deal of the day. And the plugin also has a short code that you can use to do something similar if you want to embed your deal of the day products in a special page or maybe in a blog post or something like that. You can do it with a short code as well. So there's one other feature I want to show you about this plugin, is that here in the main settings, you can see I'm under the WooCommerce menu settings integration tab. We have the deal settings. There's only two settings, enable and deal category. The enable deals setting is just there to tell the plugin to take action on all your active deals. If for some reason you needed to deactivate all your deals in a big hurry for whatever reason, you could just uncheck this box, save the settings, and the plugin will not take action on any of your deals that should have action taken on them. The deal category is what I wanted to show you. By default, there's no deal category set. You can optionally choose a deal category if you find this useful. And what happens is, you can see here I've created a category called Deal of the Day because I want to highlight my Deal of the Day products in a special category. And then I've just called it Deal of the Day. You can call it whatever you want. It's just another product category on your site. But how it's used is, when these products in your deal become on sale because of your schedule, the plugin will automatically put those products in this category, and when the deal ends, it'll automatically remove them from that category. So that gives you a handy way of maybe using some other way on your site to highlight your deals of the day. For example, maybe you have a list of categories on your site and you want those to show up. Or maybe you use a category widget or something like that. It's just another way to help highlight the deals that you have running right now. So this is a really handy little tool, and we dreamed this up because we saw a big retailer on the internet who has what they call stupid deal of the day, and they highlight this on their website, and they take one product in their store every day and they mark it down by a heavy discount, and as a result, a lot of people tend to come and see what the deal is in case they want to buy something. So this helps drive traffic to their site and helps them convert sales on products. And that's how this plugin came to be. So we hope you find it useful. There you go. If you have any questions, as always, you can use the contact form on our website to reach us, or you can call us toll free at 888-434-8388 between the hours of 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. Central Time. We hope you like it.